Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today we are here with the Vastking Z10 tablet, and this is the first tablet that I'm reviewing with Android 11 Go, which to be a version of Android but lighter, so that devices are more responsive, especially entry-level devices, which is what we're talking about right over here. So if you're looking for top of the line, Vastking also has a few models. I will leave a link down below for this particular model, but you can check out more powerful models available. Now, that being said, let's talk a little bit about specifications. This is a tablet of 10.1 inches, Android 11 Go. The SoC is a spread drum 7731, and this is the only thing that I really don't understand the choice, probably to keep the prices lower, but this is an older SoC, came out in 2015, so the performance, as you expect, will be from an entry-level tablet. It has 32 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. The screen resolution states 1080, but the maximum that I was able to get was only 1280 by 800, so there is a typo mistake on the website or in the case or something like that, because that's the maximum that we will get. In terms of the design and build quality, actually it is really nice. It is plastic at the back, a nice plastic, this dark gray, which looks really nice. At the frame we will find metal all around, and then we have a nice glass right over here. The only thing that I did find on the glass was that there is a little bit of a disalignment, nothing special, and I can't really show you that side of the screen, but it's not those cheap screens that we have seen here on the past, which have a big gap between the screen and the glass. It's not that, it's just a small disalignment on one of the sides that we can see right over here. So if you purchase one of those, don't get disappointed, because it's what you're gonna get, or if you are luckier, then you won't get that problem at all. But in terms of the overall build quality, I actually really enjoy it. Now, on the left side we will find the power button, volume rocker right over here, a USB Type-C for charging, and we also have a micro SD card slot. At the bottom we have the speakers, which are nice. The sound will come at the bottom. The sound is from a normal tablet, nothing spectacular, but it's not bad at all, enough to enjoy your multimedia games or something like that. Now, at the top we'll also find a 3.5mm jack for headphones. At the back we have a camera, 8 megapixels, and at the front 2 megapixel camera. So this is the front facing camera recording video, and just to say that I do believe that it's enough for a video call, but that will be it. I wouldn't expect to create any content with this camera or even the back camera. And this is the back camera recording video on the highest quality, which is HD, so that you guys can check out the video quality and also the audio. Now, in terms of benchmarks, as you will have the chance to see on screen, it is, as I said, an entry-level tablet, and someone that will be purchasing this tablet has to be prepared for that. It did have a overall good experience, which I'll share with you in just a few moments. There's only one thing that we need to pay attention, and that is the opening the app for the first time, because there are some apps, all of them, but some apps will take longer than others, and this is the only situation that you will see that you will need patience to have a good experience right over here. If you are someone that wants to click a button and open the app immediately, then this is not the tablet for you. This is a tablet for someone that doesn't mind waiting a little bit to have the app open. Now, truth be told, that once we have a few apps open, the multitasking experience is not bad at all. And when I mean multitasking is swiping from app to app, I don't mean multitasking working with two apps at the same time, like a browser and the word processor, something like that. No, just multitasking, changing from app to app. It's normal, fast. I wouldn't say that fast, but it's a normal experience. I can jump from Netflix to Kodi, or from a game to Word or something like that, so no issues whatsoever. The only downside that I see right over here on the overall tablet aspect is that if we are opening the app for the first time, it will take time. Once it's open, then we'll be okay. Now, in terms of the experience, I did test it out on the gaming side of things, and I did have fun. Once again, the problem was opening the app takes time, but once we are on the game, we will have a really nice experience. I did try a few racing games without any issues, some of them more demanding in terms of graphics, some of them not so demanding. Don't expect to play the most high demanding games right over here, because you won't be able to do so. There was one or two games that the tablet was not responding, so I just given, probably because they were too heavy for it. Now I also tested out for multimedia consumption, and there the experience was really nice. Watching Netflix, for example, you will have no issues at all. If you use Kodi or other software such as Plex or something like that that uses higher bitrate from our network, then the Wi-Fi connectivity is not that strong, and although we can see a movie 1080 mkv streamed from my network without any issues from the beginning to the end, if do some fast forwarding or rewind, you will notice a small delay on the transition when we are pressing the fast forward or rewind button. So that's the only issue right over there. I also played with YouTube without any concern whatsoever. I actually did put on the maximum resolution 1080, which we will not be able to have from this tablet, having in mind that it's 1280 by 800, but nonetheless I was able to stream without any issues whatsoever. So in conclusion, what I can say is that in terms of the build quality, the overall quality of the tablet, I enjoy it. The style, the feel of it, it looks and feels more expensive than what it is, with the exception of this small thing right here on the screen. Now the resolution is not what it's stated on the site and on the case, but nonetheless the experience is not that bad. The only thing that I would suggest is that some caution if you are someone that has patience to open the apps and close, wait a little bit because they will take some time to open, then great, this is a good purchase. If you are someone that doesn't have any patience, you want to press the button and open the app instantaneously, because there are devices that do that, then probably want to check out, probably on the Vastking website, they have the top of the line, which is the K10 Pro, and probably that will be a much better option than this one right over here. This is an entry level tablet, so you should have that in mind. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, so don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.